Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important recruitment notification from C-DAC. See, as per Viksit Bharat Vision 2047, C-DAC has given a notification for Project Advanced Computing Research. Okay, so coming to the details of this notification, the domain areas are chip design and the number of posts are 180, dear students. So, number of posts are 180, core digital design, verification, physical design. These are the subdomains in this chip design part. Then electronics hardware design, 25 vacancies are there. Circuit design, simulation and analysis, hardware testing and debugging, server design, tools and software, knowledge of standards and compliance. Then the next one is software ecosystem development, 65 vacancies are there. Here programming skills and computer fundamentals, compiler and runtime, device drivers, profiling and debugging, development tools and middleware, AI, ML, DL. Then photonics, 10 vacancies are there, proficiency in photonic device EDA tools, fabrication, packaging and characterization, design, analyze and optimize photonic devices. So that is what he has given here, dear students. Then general terms and conditions, terms of engagement, the positions requirements are purely on contract basis on consolidated emoluments. On consolidated emoluments initially up to a period of 3 years or completion of the project, whichever is earlier. The selected candidates may be assigned to another project based on organizational requirement. Contract may be considered for extension for a further period based on performance of the employee and requirement and duration of project. The candidates engaged under this shall be on contract and shall not derive any right or claim to have a regular post or appointment in C-DAC. C-DAC is involved in projects at various locations across India, hence a selected candidate may be deputed or transferred from one project to another project as per the organization requirement at any location. Okay, that is what he has given here. Qualification for all the posts indicated, the candidate should have qualified from AICTE UGC approved college or institute or recognized university. Okay, in case any university, institution or college is following an evaluation system of CGPA, DGPA, OGPA or letter grade, wherever applicable, it is mandatory for the candidate to submit proof of percentage issued by university, institution, college and awarded class along with the degree certificate. Candidates who have completed all final semester examinations and are waiting results or who will obtain their degree by 31st July 2025 are eligible to apply. That is what he has given here, dear students. And experience, candidate possessing relevant post qualification experience if sought for only needs to apply. Okay, academy, teaching, research work experience in non-profit organization, internship, project work placements are part of academic curriculum and will not be considered as experience unless specified. Candidate should possess experience certificates, documents issued by the previous and present employer, clearly indicating period of employment, salary drawn and post held. Then age limit and relaxation, upper age limit will be as specified against each post. Applicants belonging to reserved category, physically challenged ex-servicemen would be eligible for relaxations according to Government of India norms. The cutoff date for ascertaining the age and experience will be the last date of submission of application form, dear students. So, this is what he has given. Kindly go through this information very carefully. Selection procedure, candidate should meet the eligibility criteria as specified in the advertisement. This is the first thing. Qualification and experience prescribed are the minimum requirements and position of the same does not automatically make the candidates entitled to be called for written test or selection process. So that is what he is giving. So kindly go through this information carefully. No application fee is charged by C-DAC for applying to this advertisement. So there is no application fee, dear students. So how to apply? Before filling the online application form, candidate should read general terms and conditions carefully. Candidate should read all the eligibility parameters and ensure that she is eligible for the post before starting to apply online. So you need to have a valid email ID and mobile number. So while applying online, candidates can click on the apply button provided against each position for which she wish to apply. So on filling the correct OTP, the applicant will be directed to fill in the application form. That is what he has given. Candidate should upload their resume in PDF format, not more than 500 KB. Candidate should scan their photograph in JPG format, not more than 400 KB. So all the documents that are required were given here, dear students. Kindly go through this information carefully. So important notes is also given. Kindly go through this. Apart from that, so here the important dates are there. Commencement of online registration of application by candidates. 5th July, online application has begun. Last date for online registration of application of candidates, 31st July 2025. Written test or interview will be communicated later by email only. Only by email it will be communicated. Okay. Now, coming to the position details. Design engineer E1 up to 3 years experience is required. Total number of posts 203. Upper age limit is 30 years. BE BTech Electronics, Computer Science, Information Technology, Information Science with 60% or equivalent CGPA. PG Diploma VLSI, HPC, Embedded Systems, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning. MCA with BSc, BCA with 60% or equivalent CGPA. MSc Computer Science, Electronics, Mathematics with 60% or equivalent CGPA. ME MTech Microelectronics, VLSI, Electronic Systems Design, Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Applied Mathematics, Photonics, PhD Microelectronics, VLSI, Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning and Photonics. So for this category, up to 3 years experience is required, dear students. Final year students also can apply for that. Then senior design engineer, minimum 3 years up to 6 years. 67 posts are there. Age limit is 33 years. Age limit is 33 years. BE BTech Electronics, Computer Science, IT, IS with 60% or equivalent CGPA. So same qualifications were given here as the above one. So kindly go through that. And pay scale you can see here. For the first position, initial CTC up to 18 lakhs per annum. And for the second position, initial CTC up to 21 lakhs per annum. So this is what is the CTC given. Then principal design engineer, minimum 6 years to 9 years experience is required. 5 posts are there. 37 years is the age limit. BE BTech Electronics with 60% or equivalent CGPA. PG Diploma VLSI. MSc Electronics Mathematics with 60% or equivalent CGPA. ME MTech Microelectronics VLSI, Electronic System Design, Applied Mathematics, PhD Microelectronics VLSI. Then technical manager, minimum 9 years up to 13 years experience. 3 posts are there. 41 years. Just like the above one, the qualifications are there. You can see CTC up to 36 lakhs is there for this position, technical manager. Then senior technical manager, minimum 13 years up to 18 years experience. 1 post is there. 46 years is the age limit and 39 lakhs is the CTC. Then chief technical manager consultant, minimum 18 years experience is required. 1 post. Age limit between 50 to 65 years. BE BTech Electronics with 60% or equivalent CGPA. PG Diploma VLSI. MSc Electronics Mathematics with 60% or equivalent CGPA. ME MTech Microelectronics VLSI, Electronic System Design, Applied Mathematics, PhD Microelectronics VLSI. Package is up to 42 lakhs per annum, dear students. So you can click here on apply online. So this page will open. So here total number of positions, all this information is given here. So you need to click on login to apply, dear students. So that option is given here. So login to apply is there. So instructions for filling up the online form. All the fields marked with star are compulsory. Files required to upload. Passport photograph. Size 300 KB maximum. Resolution 600 by 600 pixels minimum. Okay. So resume up to 3 MB maximum he is giving. So acknowledgement mail shall be sent to your primary email ID upon submission of your application. That is what he has given. So here you can click to apply online. So here that option is given, dear students. Kindly go through this information carefully. Okay. So now again coming to the last date of submission, 31st July 2025 is the last date to apply, dear students. Don't wait till the last date. As there is no fee for these posts, you can apply as early as possible. Okay. Thank you. All the very best.